welcome to the first update on the Oxford Sandy and Black Pig Group annual Christmas competition, where you can win this fabulous Aardvark XL pig arc or farrowing arc from Contented Products. So the competition kicked off 1st of December. I'm pretty sure that question 1 didn't have many of you floundering around too much. A little bit of a clue there. I think question 2 stumbled a few people. All I can say is that there is some writing on the ruler that might give you a clue as to what we're looking for. Question 3, yeah, I mean, obviously I've done them, so I know what the answers are. A clue for you? Let me think. Maybe I'm going to go and weigh some prunes. See how that one fits. Question 4, I think most people got. I'm not going to give you a clue here, other than the Christmas tree in the background might give you a small hint. Question 5 was the words. Question 5 was the 4 words. That caused some debate, shall we say, around what the answer was. The only clue I can give you is think back to the first book that you ever picked up. That should give you a clue. And final question was Friday's question. That was a Dingbats one. It's a clue there. No, I'm not going to give you a clue for question 6. I'm going to let you all think a bit longer. I may add something in later on the next update, possibly. So that's where we are so far. All 6 questions are down. 5 coming this week, Monday through Friday, 9 AM every morning on our social media channels. Yes, I'll give you an update again next weekend. Probably won't go through all the questions that I've covered in this video, but I'll pick a couple out along with all of next week's ones. So hope you're all enjoying the Christmas competition. Good luck. Keep an eye on the group, and please don't put any comments regarding to potential answers on the post, please. Details on how to enter the competition will be released on the 21st of December, along with the final question where you can enter on our website. So yeah, good luck until